When it comes to streamlining the plant closing process and getting the maximum recoverable value, nobody does it like we do. Here at Industrial Asset Recovery Group, we offer consulting, managing, and executing solutions to meet your plant closing needs. As your plant closing advisors, we will guide you through all the phases of the industrial plant closing process. With over 30 years of experience in industrial plant liquidations, we can take the mystery out of the plant closing process for you. We'll do this by working with you and educating you with an easy-to-understand, step-by-step explanation of what it takes to maximize the return of assets and minimize your cost. As a fee-based company, we do not charge commission on any sales for work performed. Our priority is solely centered on arming you with all the information you need to strategize and execute the plant closing process easily and conveniently. Our work process begins with the appraisal phase. Here, we assess the value of all the assets that are part of the plant which is targeted to close. From machinery and equipment to every other element, we take time out to understand and appraise them before anything else. Our Total Plant Deactivation Service program helps us to know what the hard and soft assets are worth and how to manage them. Next up, environmental services. In this phase of the plant closing process, IARG and its sister affiliate Environ Analytics Group work with you to strategize, then execute a plan to bring clarity of what is needed to address and solve these issues. Once this is done, we proceed to the machinery and equipment sales phase. In any plant closing process, the 4 things that can happen to all of the machinery and equipment in the plant include 1. Transfer to a sister plant. 2. Sold by public auction. 3. Sold by negotiated sales process. Or 4. Scrapped. So, to streamline this process, IARG will create a master inventory of every asset in the plant. After a thorough investigation with our client, we will provide a recommended course of action to provide the best results. Next up, remarketing of work in process. It is no secret that WIP was manufactured or purchased to make a specific product. And when there is WIP left over, IARG will review all of the assets that are in this category and make a recommendation of how they should be managed. The next service is demolition services. Demolition services help management bring back leased plants to a condition as per the terms of its lease. We have extensive experience with this type of demolition and can also help with complete demolition of entire plants. We have managed multiple projects and can help our clients take care of the entire process. Recovery of electrical assets. One of the most overlooked asset recovery elements are the electrical components, which are still there after the plant closes. IARG Advisors. We can help our clients recover electrical assets like wiring, motor control centers, transformers, and bus duct. We can help management address this category and recover thousands of dollars. Once this is done, we can proceed to the sale of recoverable metals. In any manufacturing plant, metals are a significant amount of investment. Unfortunately, many managers don't know what to do with them at the time of closing. Here at IARG, we will review these metals and advise our client on how to maximize their value at the least amount of cost. When deciding if a scrap commodity is useless or usable, the 3 basic questions that need to be answered include 1. How much time is available to sell it? 2. Is it proprietary? 3. How much is the book value? Many assets end up being scrapped for these reasons. The urgency to close on the sale of the plant, or the policies of the company prevent the asset from being sold other than scrapped. Here at IARG, we can help our clients answer this question. Real estate valuation and sale. This TPD element drives many other elements of our program. Determining the value of any industrial property, like all other real estate, starts with its location and goes from there. The real estate valuation plays a key role in the sale of the property. IARG will create specialized plant Q&A that determines how, when, and what methods should be used to obtain the highest value. Sale of product lines. We often remind our clients that before a product line is disregarded, there are many buyers, anxious and willing to purchase it, no matter how unique or obsolete the line may be. These purchases may include technical drawings, processing equipment, tools, dies, and special fixtures. Other items such as WIP, brand-named items, and any intellectual properties are also taken into consideration. Thousands of dollars are often recoverable when management looks closer at these items. Risk management. In managing all legal risks when closing a plant, IARG has created a master checklist of key legal elements, which, when implemented, will help to prevent any legal issues that arises, from NDAs to insurance requirements. Intangible and HR-related issues management. Besides addressing the issue of hard assets, there are many legal and human resources issues that need to be addressed too. To do this effectively, IARG has consulted with leading experts in the field and will assist clients to make sure that critical issues are managed correctly and in compliance with city, county, and federal guidelines. IARG, the Plant Closing Management Advisors. Contact us today to request a consultation or visit our website to know more. 314-835-2812. www.industrial-recovery.com